Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. They're currently having their largest sale of the year. In order to shop this sale, you do have to be a beauty insider. So I do want to thank Sephora for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't signed up to be a beauty insider yet, all you have to do is sign up using your email address. I'll have the link to sign up in the description box, and you'll just use that one-time code to receive your discount. This sale is actually going on until December the 15th, so you still have a few more days to shop. This is a one-time use sale where you use a code for your purchase, 20% off the entire store and 30% off anything Sephora collection. I do have quite a few videos up doing a full face of Sephora collection, so I'll have those videos linked in the description box. Everything I mentioned in today's video I'll have linked down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comments, so be sure to check that out. So let's jump right into it. The first couple of bags are actually items for myself, and then I got a few things that I'm going to be using as gifts. So first up is the Sephora Daily Brush Cleaner, and it's the biggest one that they have. This one is the 13.5 ounce, and I've told you guys about this a couple times before. I have the smaller version that's in an aerosol can, and I'm thinking that it now comes in like this type of just like a regular spray bottle, because it's a dry shampoo brush cleaner, but it's like one of those daily brush cleaners. I think they're the same thing because I no longer see this on the website. I'm hoping it's the same formula, but I like to spray this on a paper towel and just sort of quickly clean my brushes after I finish doing my makeup. I do that like twice before I give my brushes like a full on shampoo where I use water. So I enjoyed this so much that I wanted to get the full bottle. So fingers crossed that it's the same. If you've tried this one and you've tried the one in the aerosol can, let me know if you've seen a difference. But I really liked it. It gives it a good clean. And then next I picked up a backup of my Caudalie Vinoclean toner. Now this is something that I use every day. It's a gentle toner. So if you're somebody that uses actives, AHAs, BHAs, or any type of acids on your skin, this is a nice gentle one that will sort of calm your face and clarify it a little bit. I got one during the first Sephora sale in November, and so I got a backup because I'm probably like a third way through the one I currently have. And this is probably what I'm most excited about. This is the Vibrant Lights The Amazing palette. It has 29 colors in it. So on a couple of previous videos, I used the Amazing palette that has some different shades in it. And I liked it so much. The quality was so impressive to me that I wanted to try out this one that has the blue shades in it. I didn't even know they had this one. I thought it was only the one that I got. One of the socialites commented and said that she purchased the blue one instead, and I'm thinking, what blue one? I didn't even know they had a blue one. So it's the same packaging as the previous one that I've been using, and these are the shades that are in there. How beautiful. This is so nice. I'm so excited to try this out. So let's swatch a few. So these are a few shades in the palette that sort of stood out to me, and they feel kind of creamy, especially those three brightest colors you see, that blue, that yellow gold, and that kind of like brighter, look like a multi-chrome shade. Wow. So next makeup tutorial, we're going to be playing with this one. I'm excited for that one, y'all. Wow. Okay, so next is, and I've never bought anything from this brand before. This is from Gisou, the Honey Infused Hair Oil. So I love a good hair oil, especially with my hair being blonde. I put oil in my hair daily. Seems to be on the thicker side, and it comes in a dropper form. Yeah, it's kind of thick. Ooh, it smells good. It's a soft, sweet scent. It's on the thicker side, which I like a little bit of a heavier oil for my hair. My hair can take that, and since it's short, I don't need that movement. Okay, so I'm excited for this. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So next up is a Sephora Collection primer, and I cheated, y'all. I actually used it on yesterday's video. I did a full face of Sephora Collection yesterday, so check out that video and you could see my thoughts on this, but my makeup lasted over 10 hours and it still looked fresh at that point. It was just time for me to go to bed, so I had to wash my face off. But so far, I'm liking this. I just want to test it out with a different foundation. What it closest reminds me of is the Benefit Professionals primer. Sort of feels like that and sort of looks the same on the skin. Next up is a viral product that's been viral for a couple of years. So many people talk about it and I wanted to try it out. So this is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant. So many people rave about this, that it smells so good. So finally picked this up. So let's open it up and let me give it a smell. Oh, it does smell good. Kind of powdery and fresh and slightly perfumey. So it does go on clear. Oh, this smells yummy. Oh my goodness. Okay, the hype was definitely real on this one. The smell is amazing, so I'll keep you guys posted as far as how dry it keeps me. So another product, this is actually I guess you can call it a repurchase. I was actually sent this from the brand and it's from EADEM. It's the Dark Spot Serum. So when the brand sent this over, I used it for a couple of weeks, and within a couple of weeks I saw a significant difference in my dark spots lightening up. And so at that point, the spots got lighter in my skin. I made an appointment to go to get a facial because I'm like, okay, look, my spots are getting light. Let me get some professional help and then I'll just have complete clear skin. Well, when I got the facial, the esthetician that did the extractions kind of dug into my skin and it sort of damaged my skin and made more dark spots. So I felt like, you know what, this is what helped me out, and I've started back using it again. It's been about a week so far, and so I only have a little bit left, so I wanted to get another one. So this is pretty good. I use the there's like a toner type thing that goes with it, and I use that every other day, and in between those days I use this, the Caudalie one. And so hopefully it works the same. I was impressed by it the first time. So as you watch the videos, you guys should see it lighten up, and then I'll keep you updated on my thoughts as well. But I was so impressed by this, I knew I wanted to get another one. I got another Sephora Collection puff because I love them so much. Can't have enough puffs. And I did get another Sephora Collection sponge. Y'all, these are really good sponges. I actually like it better than the original Beauty Blender sponge. Now, I did hear somebody say that she didn't like it dry. I use it damp. I wet it and I squeeze every drop of water out that I can and use it that way, and I love it. Picked up another Merit brow pencil. This has become my favorite brow pencil. I'm actually on my third one currently, so this one will be number 4. I think I picked up 1 or 2. I think 1 I picked up during the November sale, and so love these, can't get enough of it. So if you're new here, I love this pencil because it has a really skinny tip. Now, there are other brow pencils that have a tip this skinny, but I'm somebody that uses brow gels in my brows to hold them down before I add any like brow pencil or fill in my brows. And with a lot of pencils, I have to do a few passes before it like smoothly goes over the gel once it's dried. I like the fact that that pencil just glides over any other brow product you may have underneath, like brow gels. Obsessed with it, y'all. So, ooh, I forgot about this one. So this is new. One of my favorite eyeshadow toppers probably my number one favorite is Space Cowboy from Urban Decay. So they just launched Space Cowboy in a pencil form. And if you're not familiar with Space Cowboy, it's basically like a champagne colored glitter. It's beautiful. And so this is Space Cowboy in the pencil form. So I'm going to put this right here so we can test this out during the next makeup tutorial. I'm super excited for that one. So next is actually a fragrance. And I was going back and forth to decide which one I wanted to get. And this is my very first Chanel perfume, y'all. Can you believe it? I picked up Chance Eau Tendre, the Toilette. I saw so many reviews trying to figure out the difference. Do I get the Toilette or do I get the actual perfume version? And I just ended up going with this one. And one of the socialites recently commented in a video saying that she prefers this one too. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this one because I didn't want to go smell it in store first. So I was going back and forth between this and the new Chanel Gabrielle one, because that smells so good. I smelled it in store. I like how light and dainty it is, and it's just very classy and effortless, a beautiful floral. But that one sort of gives me springy a little bit. So I was like, you know what? I can just pick that one up during the spring Sephora sale. So I ended up going with this. So I've never smelled this one before. I don't think I've smelled the original. So it's already hitting my face. Fruity, it's floral, it's light, it's fun, but there's a presence to it. There's something a little powdery. This is my first Chanel perfume, y'all. So I love this. It smells so good. And the bottle is just giving that pretty girl type of packaging. This is a good one. So let me know if you've tried Chanel Eau Tendre or Eau Tendre, but the Toilette version. They threw in the Living Proof Triple Bond Hair Strengthener. So they threw in this sample. So the rest of the haul is actually going to be gifts. So I picked up this, and this is so cute. I did not know that the bag came with it. So I had been seeing the 5-piece set for the Sephora collection lippies. I love these. I adore this formula. They're long lasting. They're super pigmented. They have some nice bold colors. The reds are my favorite. So the fact that they came in a 5-piece set, I felt like I could break them up and like gift them to different people and not necessarily the whole entire one. So that's how you can kind of make one purchase stretch to multiple people. But then I saw that it came in this little bag, which I think is so cute. So I'll figure out how I'm gonna, like break these up, but it was so cute. It has a little zipper on there, and I think it's on sale for like $25 right now. So to get 30% off of this, you're paying like, I want to say $3 or $4 for each of these, and the regular price is like 12 or 15 bucks. So this is one of the greatest bargains that you could get during, this current sale right now. So that was such a good deal that I ended up getting 2 of them. So these are going to be for gifts. So one of my newest perfumes to my collection is actually Glossier U. I picked up a travel size actually during the last Sephora sale in November. And I've gotten so many, that's probably my most, not even probably, it's my most complimented fragrance. Every time I go somewhere, I get compliments on this. When I went to get my hair done a couple weeks ago, my stylist was like, wait a minute, I have to know what you're wearing. She even texted me later on asking me, what perfume did you have on? I've got to go get that perfume. They have it in a set where you can get the full size, the 30 ml, and you can get the same travel size that I picked up during the first Sephora sale for $80. It's on sale for $80, and then you get 20% off of that. So that's a really, really good bargain. And so it was such a good bargain that I actually got two. So I got both of these to gift, and similar to the Sephora collection lippies, I'm gonna break them up because this could actually be like 4 separate gifts. And last but not least, I got this Fenty Skin set. So my favorite scent in Fenty Skin is the Warm Cinnamon. Warm Cinnamon is probably my number one, and then a close second is the newest Toasted Marshmallow. So Warm Cinnamon only comes in a set now, where you get the Warm Cinnamon body butter, which is one of the most hydrating body butters you can buy. And the Fenty Skin Plush Pudding comes along with it, that's in the same Warm Cinnamon limited edition scent. So I thought this was the cutest little set because I do like the plush pudding, but I just have the original. So for it to come in one of my favorite scents, I thought that was perfect. And this is actually gonna be for one of you guys. So let's do a giveaway in this video. Why not? It's Vlogmas, girl, and you deserve it. So you could just put 3 heart emojis. That's what I've been doing. 3 heart emojis in the comments if you want to win this set for today's giveaway. You have to have Instagram. With any of my giveaways, you guys, and that's something that I hadn't stated, you have to have an Instagram account. Okay, and you have to be in the US, unfortunately. So 3 heart emojis in the comments, and we'll just randomly pick somebody and go from there. So that's it for this Sephora haul. Did you guys shop this latest sale? What did y'all pick up? I feel like most people are gonna pick up Sephora collection because that's the biggest bargain. So for those of you who aren't the Rouge status with Sephora, where you get the 20% off during the winter sale, this is great because you can get it, but it's that one-time use. So keep that in mind. I'll have everything I mentioned today linked in the description box. So I do want to encourage you guys to shop your last minute items through those links. I'll also pin it in the comments. So if you're new here, I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. Don't you step to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars.